There's a belief in the restaurant world that to be successful, you gotta grind. You have to eat, sleep, and breathe food. No, scratch that. No sleep. You gotta have skin in the game. Growth takes pain. Greatness takes the same. You gotta work hard to get to the top. And twice as hard to stay there, right? Right? Let's start with the challenge of managing inventory. Why risk forgetting to reorder when you can make it easy to purchase anything, anytime? Feeling the pressure of planning a killer menu? Make it easy with exclusive brands and innovative food ideas that always deliver. Now, about that staff schedule. You fix it once, you fix it 1,000 times. Make it easy by sending employees their shifts straight to their phones. And then there's that all-important customer. Online stars are now as coveted as Michelin's. How do you keep the people happy? Easy. Let them reserve a table and order takeout from their devices. All stars. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Whatever you need, we have the great food and business tools to take hard work and make it easy.